The market theme Nifty is likely to trade cautiously despite signs that the Iran conflict has so far proved less inflationary than feared. The positive catalyst softer than expected US headline and core producer inflation further eased fears of an imminent Fed rate hike. Amidst this backdrop, Bank Nifty and financials stocks are likely to outperform, supported by softer than expected US inflation data. The four biggest headwinds. 1. Higher US Treasury yields have pushed borrowing costs higher. 2. FII's selling persists. 3. The US-Iran conflict continues to escalate. 4. A busy Q1 FY27 corporate India earnings week. Bottom line bullish consolidation likely, as Nifty is most likely to shrug off the rising US-Iran conflict, with WTI crude slipping towards $78 per barrel. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 736 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 705 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty appears headed for massive consolidation. F&O July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 13.27 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, has firmed up higher towards 96.48 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.08 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.85. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.71. Midcap Nifty is at 1.02. Nifty outlook. The underlying trend continues to favor the bulls, but Q1 FY27 earnings will hold the key to Nifty's next big move towards its 200 DMA near 24,827. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,079. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,991 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,257 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,000 and 24,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,185. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,259 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 77,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,700 to 77,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,758. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,707 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The Q1 FY27 earnings season is in full swing, and strong performers are clearly stealing the spotlight. IT stocks are still struggling to mount a meaningful comeback as investors continue to digest the sector's brutal 6-month sell-off. Sectors likely to outperform. 1. Pharma and healthcare. Defensive buying likely to continue amid geopolitical uncertainty. Pharma remains the best performing NSE sector in 2026. 2. Private banks and financials. The start of the earnings season could keep the sector in limelight. Sectors likely to underperform. 1. Oil marketing companies, OMCs. Rising crude oil prices could pressure marketing margins. 2. Aviation. Higher ATF costs remain a key headwind. 3. Paints and chemicals. Margin worries if crude remains elevated. Hush stocks to watch. Vertical bar. Positive bias. Divi's Lab, Sun Pharma, Eternal, Ultratech Cement, PNB Housing Finance, Up Capital, SBI Life, Home First Finance, Mankind Pharma, Lupin, Kalyan Jewellers. Negative bias. DR. Reddy's Laboratories, HUL, Trent, Maruti Suzuki, BDL, Vare Energies. Q1 FY27 earnings today Thursday, 16th July. Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Polycab India, Geo Financial Services, Indian Hotels, ITC Hotels, Chennai Petroleum, South Indian Bank, Bank of Maharashtra. 17th July, Reliance Industries, JSW Steel, Havells India. 18th July, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank.